Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your JBL 500 soundbar in 2026. So first of all, you need to take the HDMI cable and then you need to plug it into the HDMI ARC port on your TV. Afterwards, simply connect the other end to the HDMI ARC port on the soundbar. After that, simply go to your TV settings and set the audio output to HDMI ARC or external speaker. This is going to give you the best quality and control. Now, if HDMI ARC is not available in your case, you can use optical as an alternative. So you need to now turn on the soundbar and the wireless subwoofer. In most of the cases, the subwoofer connects automatically, but if it doesn't, you can just simply press and hold the power button or the pair button on the subwoofer to connect it manually. This adds a deeper bass to your setup. Now you need to press the Bluetooth button as well on the soundbar. Then go to the phone's settings or your TV's Bluetooth settings and connect the soundbar. This allows you to stream the music wirelessly. So you can try all of these methods based on your model and you will be able to easily set up your JBL 500 soundbar step by step. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.